Join me today for a 5-minute Parkinson-specific voice exercise class. Let's get going. Sitting up nice and tall in your chair, we are going to hold this loud, long ah for 10 seconds. I want you to picture yourself launching your voice to the back of a boardroom. Here we go. Good intentional breath. Ah. Try to keep it steady. Breathe in. Ah. You can always hit pause if you need a little bit of a break. Here we go. Keep it going. That's it. Next one. Nice big breath. Remember, tall spine, chest is lifted, projecting. Next one. If you need a sip of water at any time, don't hesitate to do that. This is voice exercise. It's work. So let's move on to the second part of our voice exercise, the pitch glides. Okay, with the pitch glides, we are going to go up in pitch, gliding from a medium low level, gliding up nice and smooth like this. Now at the top, take a good intentional breath. We're going to glide it high to low like this. Imagine that your voice is climbing a mountain. You're taking a good breath at the peak, and then you're gliding it back down again. Let's do it again. And another one. Just a couple more. Stay with me. Remember, it should be slightly louder than feels necessary, always with good voice quality, and never, ever any pain. Let's do one more. Now we're going to change it up. We are not going to stop at the top. We are going to take a really good intentional breath, and we're going to glide up to the top, over the mountain peak, and back down the other side. It's called a siren. Do it with me. Ah. And again. Ah. And another one. Good intentional breath. Ah. Can we do 2 in a row on one breath? Let's give it a try. Ah. And on this last one, take a good intentional breath, and I want you to go as long as you can with good voice quality, okay? As many sirens in a row that you can do. Here we go. Maybe you did it even longer than I did it. So well done, virtual high five. You did a very quick 5-minute Parkinson specific voice exercise class. Even if you don't have a lot of time, you can still find 5 minutes in your day to do these very, very important exercises to maintain good voice and good swallowing function with Parkinson's. See you next time.